We work with Giant iTabs, work with the team. They're a great team to work with. The kit's really useful as a show organiser. We can utilise it for all our content. We can chop and change, drive some more traffic to our website. It's also really good working with the Giant iTab team, pushing them to our exhibitors, giving them a creative way to showcase the content videos that they have on their stand. The kit's really interactive, it's really simple for people to use, and there's a massive familiarity with the kit. So from people using their phones, it's just a very easy way to get them to interact with some content. It's the first time we've worked with Giant iTabs, but we've been wanting to do it for a while. We've seen their kit at quite a few different events, and we've always really liked it as a way of pushing content in a really familiar way. So we're really excited to start working with them, and this year's gone really well. The team are great, they're really responsive to anything that we ask them to do, and they're really creative in teaching us how to use everything and get the most out of it.